Hello students, welcome to Study Live. Today we are going to learn the motion of a body in a lift. When we travel in the lift, you must have experienced something, right? When you are going up, you feel little heavy. When you are coming down, you feel little light, right? So actually what happens? There are forces acting on our body when we are traveling in a lift. And how does it happen? Let us talk about that. Now, look at this image. Now, as you can see that in this the person is in the lift. So, actually the weight of the body is acting downward direction and the floor of the lift acts in upward direction, which we call it as normal reaction. Okay. So, weight is acting down and normal reaction is acting in upward direction. That is what is always happening, which we have learned in Newton's third law of motion. Now, as we can see here, in this case, our lift is at rest. So, I will say that V is equal to 0. That means velocity is 0. Or we can also consider one case that lift is moving with uniform velocity. Which velocity? Uniform velocity. Now, if this thing happens, if the body is moving with uniform velocity and or if the lift is at rest, whatever condition, what will happen is our apparent weight meaning false weight, which we feel, okay, the apparent weight will be actually equal to actual weight. That means that happens because N is equal to mg, okay, that is normal reaction will be equivalent to mg. Minus sign no need to give because we are talking about magnitude. Okay. So, when this is equal, that means we can say that this N represents what? Apparent weight. Apparent weight is equal to what? Actual weight. Now, in the next case, if you see, if the lift is moving upward, so you feel little heavy. Why that happens? When the lift is moving upward, that means the normal reaction, okay, is acting in upward direction, weight is acting in downward direction. So, minus mg will be equal to acceleration of the lift in upward direction, that is ma. Okay. So, N will be equal to mg plus ma. So, that is N will be equal to m bracket g plus a. Now, look at this formula. With this, apparent weight is equal to more weight. Okay? That means apparent weight is more than the actual weight when you move in upward direction. You can feel that. In the third case, if you see, even the lift is moving in downward direction. Okay? Since it is moving in downward direction, here weight is more. So, I can say that mg, okay, acting downward direction and upward direction is what? Normal reaction minus N will be ma. This is the force which is acting on it. Okay. So, in this case, N I can say that mg minus ma. Okay. So, N is equal to m bracket g minus a. That means apparent weight is less. Okay, so you feel less than actual weight. Okay, so you feel little light weight. Okay. Now, next case, suppose cable of the lift is cut. What will happen? When the cable is cut, the lift will flow in the downward direction. Okay, that will be equivalent to g. That means acceleration of the lift will be same as gravity. When this is the case, what will happen? Same formula I am going to use here, right? So, we can have this N is equal to m bracket g minus, but A is equal to what? G. So, N is what? Equal to 0. That means weight feels what? 0, weightlessness. That is the reason when cable is cut, the person inside the lift will fly because of weightlessness. That is what is happening astronauts when they are in the satellite revolving around Earth. Okay. Now let's see one more case here. In this case, lift is moving down, but this A is acceleration is greater than G. If suppose lift is moving down with the acceleration more than G, then what will happen in that case? The lift will, of course, will have more acceleration than the gravity. So, body, the person inside the lift will stick to the ceiling, okay, because normal reaction will be what? Negative, because as you can see the formula here, m, g, again acceleration is what? Greater. So, of course, minus a will be what? Negative value you will get. So, apparent weight will be negative, meaning body will stick to the ceiling of the lift. So, students, these are the cases of lift, okay. When body is in a lift, these are the different cases we have studied. So, I hope you have understood the concept. So, stay tuned with Study Live, and we are going to see some more very good concepts in the next video. So, thank you.